In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the car icon in Waze. If you've ever felt like customizing your driving experience or just want to add a little bit of personality to your in-app journey, you've come to the right place. Making this change is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step for a seamless transition. By the end of this tutorial, your Waze app will feel just a touch more personal. First things first, let's get your Waze app up and running. Go ahead and open the Waze app on your mobile device. This is your starting point for changing that little car icon that's been guiding you around town. Once the app is open, you're going to notice those three horizontal lines usually found in the top left corner. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to open up a variety of options that Waze provides. You'll now be greeted by a list of options. What you're looking for next is the settings gear icon. Think of this as the command center for customizing your Waze experience. You'll find this gear icon within the menu. Tap it to delve into the specifics of what the app can do for you. Now that you're in the settings, turn your attention to the navigation section. This part of the app is all about guiding you both visually and practically as you hit the road. Within navigation, you'll find a feature labeled vehicle type. This is the part where the magic begins. Tap on vehicle type to start customizing your driving avatar. This brings us to the fun part, choosing your preferred vehicle type. Whether you want your icon to reflect the actual car you drive, or if you're up for something entirely whimsical, the choice is yours. Typically, there are a range of options from something standard to more exotic or fun icons, providing that touch of uniqueness to your navigation experience. And with your choice made, you're all set. Your new icon will now appear on the map every time you navigate, making each drive uniquely yours. It's a small change that can make your journeys feel a bit more personal and enjoyable as you watch your chosen icon drive across the screen. Remember, this customization can be easily changed whenever you feel like it. If in the future you decide that a different car icon suits your style better, simply revisit these steps and switch things up again. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoy your newly personalized Waze experience. Thanks for watching and safe travels.